Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Taryn. I'm from Embrezi Design. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for Alice's Wonders. Now they've just released a set of 3 new soaps in Brisbane in Australia, and I'm going to be unboxing my purchase. So I have purchased these. I'm not sponsored by Alice's Wonders, so my opinions are my own. I happen to really love the product though. Just to touch on what the soaps are. So there's 3 soaps. We have Invigorating, so there's three names. We've got Invigorating, we've got Vital and Goddess. So I'll go into a little bit more detail about the soaps and what the fragrances are, and of course my thoughts on the new line. I'm just having a look at the website as well, and I can see that the Goddess has actually sold out, and we've got the Vital. There's limited stocks of the Vital available, so they're incredibly popular. But here we go. So we're going to do a bit of an unboxing here. Okay, so packaging is always just really beautiful. Okay. So this is what we have. I'll just hold this up. So we have thank you for buying handmade. And of course a little supporter card, so a real person is doing a happy dance right now. Thank you for supporting small business. Okay. Which is really lovely. It's just shipping information. So we have Fiona and Brad, the business owners there. That's their contact information. And of course Alice's Wonders, which is just a gorgeous little bunny logo there. Alright, so here are the 3 soaps. We have the packaging with Vital, Invigorating and Goddess. So on the website it starts with Invigorating, so let's start with this one. Now this fragrance is eucalyptus, lavender, tea tree, spearmint and rosemary. Firstly, okay, so the eucalyptus and spearmint are the standout fragrances for me. So it's got that sort of minty eucalyptus sort of fresh smell to it. Oh, the packaging is just beautiful. Okay, and this is the soap. So these soaps are great for cleaning paint from brushes. So it's an artist's soap, but they're also really beautiful on the skin. So if you have to clean a lot of brushes, you know, your hands are submerged in water, it dries the skin out tremendously, whereas these will put a bit of moisture back into the skin, and they also clean the brushes really well. So they're absolutely fantastic. So either paint brushes or makeup brushes. I find I clean my makeup brushes with these also, and they're absolutely tremendous. So the next soap we have is the Vital. So, okay. Oh, it's really beautiful. Okay. And that's absolutely lovely. So I'm going to keep that up in the next to my makeup brushes. So when I clean them, I'll use that one in particular. Okay, the last we have is the Goddess. So here we go. It's Goddess, and I'll just mention, so we have Sweet Orange Patchouli, Lang Lang, and Lang Lang Complete, and White Grapefruit. So the white grapefruit is a beautiful smell. All of these smells actually are beautiful. So the sweet orange patchouli, Lang Lang, and white grapefruit all together. Oh wow, this soap looks amazing. So we have Fiona and Brad have done an excellent job with this new release of the 3 new soaps. Have a look at the website. I'll include the links below, and a bit of detail on the soaps. Alice's Wonders, very small business in southeast Queensland, in Brisbane. aliceswonders.com.au. I'm not paid for this, and I bought this with my own money to support small business, of course. So we're looking at $12.95 per soap. They've got a whole heap of other stuff on their website as well, so a whole heap of different other specialty soaps, so things that will condition your brush, things that will give a really great deep clean for brushes. So if you've done something terrible like left paint on a brush and walked away for a week and forgot that you've left paint on a brush and it sort of hardens, there's soaps that'll clean them. We've got hand balms and lip balms as well, which I've got both of those, and they're I've got hand balms and lip balms, and they're all absolutely divine. So have a look at Alice's Wonders if you get a chance. Excellent local company. So let's have a look at this. Here are the soaps. So once again we have Invigorating, Vital. So Invigorating, Vital, and Goddess, which are all really beautiful. So well done, Fiona and Brad. It's a triumph. I love them.